Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, you'll be notified of our latest videos. This is Sage for Kalkine Media. Looking for pathology stocks? Well, here are 5 exciting ASX-listed shares within the health sector. Pathology services play an essential part in illness detection and treatment, as well as health management. The industry is anticipated to see an upsurge in demand for microbiology pathology services, given the fact that microbiology laboratories are engaged in diagnosing infectious diseases like COVID-19 to offer suitable treatments. And with this backdrop, let us discuss 5 ASX-listed pathology stocks. Sonic Healthcare Limited, one of the world's leading medical diagnostics providers. Sonic Healthcare provides diagnostic, imaging, radiology, laboratory, medicine, pathology and primary care medical services. The company is playing a significant role in combating the COVID-19 pandemic in its markets while continuing to offer its essential healthcare services. And Sonic Healthcare has recorded revenue growth of 28%, up to 8.8 billion Australian dollars in financial year 21. EBITDA growth was recorded at 2.6 billion Australian dollars, up by 81%. Sonic has also disclosed that 30 million COVID-19 PCR tests had been performed so far in approximately 60 Sonic laboratories worldwide. Healius Limited. Healius Limited provides accessible, affordable as well as quality healthcare for all people across Australia. The company mainly operates in 3 main businesses, including imaging, pathology and day hospitals or IVF. Healius entered into a binding agreement to sell Adora Fertility and 3 co-located Healius Day hospitals to Virtus Health for 45 million Australian dollars. Earlier in July 2021, Healius announced the acquisition of Axis Diagnostic Holdings Pty Limited, a high-quality Queensland-based imaging business with earnings of approximately 2 million Australian dollars. Moreover, the company also disclosed the rebranding of its healthcare imaging services and all its sub-brands as Lumus Imaging. Australian Clinical Labs Limited. Leading Australian private provider of pathology services, Australian Clinical Labs is one of the largest private hospital pathology businesses nationally, and ACL's mission is to blend people and medical and scientific leadership with innovative technologies to empower decision-making to enhance patients' lives. The company announced it would release its financial and operating results for financial year 21 on 26th August. In June of 2021, Australian Clinical Labs updated the market with an upgrade to the forecast set out in the prospectus lodged by ACL and ACL Saleco Limited on prospectus for financial year 21. Virtus Health Limited. Sydney-headquartered Virtus Health Limited is engaged in providing assisted reproductive technology, or ART, specialist pathology, as well as day hospital services. The company reported its financial year 21 results, which included reported group revenue worth 324.6 million Australian dollars and EBITDA standing at 93.4 million Australian dollars. The company declared a final dividend, fully franked, of 12 cents per share. And the company notified that it would continue to invest in state-of-the-art clinics and labs. Virtus also highlighted that it is well positioned to service the ongoing demand for ARS, as well as to further expand revenue via development in day hospitals, fertility diagnostic and reproductive genetic services. Genetic Signatures Limited. The specialist molecular diagnostics player, Genetic Signatures, is engaged in the development as well as commercialisation of 3Base, its proprietary platform technology. The company designs and produces real-time polymerase chain reaction-based products for infectious disease detection under Easy Screen. The company updated the market with its investor webinar presentation highlighting its robust revenue growth. GSS achieved a record sale of 28.3 million Australian dollars in the financial year 21. This is up by 151%. And international sales represent 21% of revenue, up from 10% in financial year 20. The company continued its progress on the FDA submission for the EasyScreen enteric protozoan detection kit, with the first clinical trial site nearing completion of their data collection. If you like the information, please like, share, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You'll be notified of the latest videos. For more information, regular updates, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com, and this is Sage for Kalkine Media.